Before a MotoGP bike stops at extreme speed, its braking system is engineered with absolute precision inside a high-performance factory. This is field to factory. Like the video, share it, and subscribe for more powerful sports manufacturing stories. At racing speeds, braking is not just stopping power, it is control, balance, and survival combined into one system. Inside this advanced facility, raw materials are transformed into ultra-high-performance braking components. The process begins with high-strength metal and composite materials designed to survive extreme heat and friction. Every brake disc starts as a raw blank, carefully selected for durability and thermal resistance. Precision machining shapes each disc to exact specifications required for racing conditions. Even the smallest imbalance can affect braking stability at high speed. The disc must remain stable under extreme temperature and pressure changes. Ventilation patterns are created to help reduce heat buildup during continuous racing. Every hole and cut is designed to improve cooling efficiency and performance. After cutting, each disc is carefully inspected for structural accuracy. Heat treatment strengthens the material for high temperature resistance. Controlled cooling ensures the disc retains perfect structural integrity. Surface grinding creates a flawless contact surface for brake pads. Brake calipers are machined from high-strength aluminum blocks. Each caliper is engineered to apply equal pressure across the disc surface. Pistons inside the caliper are polished for smooth hydraulic movement. Brake pads are created from high-friction composite materials. These pads are designed to grip instantly under extreme racing pressure. Each component is tested individually before system integration. Hydraulic brake lines are prepared to transfer pressure instantly from rider to wheel. Brake fluid is filled with precision to ensure perfect hydraulic response. Every line is sealed to prevent pressure loss during racing. The full braking system is assembled for the first time. Front and rear braking systems must work in perfect synchronization. Even milliseconds of delay can affect race performance. Brake systems are tested under controlled pressure environments. Sensors measure heat, force, and stopping efficiency. Data is analyzed in real time to fine-tune performance. Engineers adjust settings to match racing conditions. The system is now ready for integration into the MotoGP bike. Each brake is mounted with precise torque control. Alignment ensures maximum contact between disc and pad. Brake levers are connected to hydraulic systems for rider control. Every movement from the rider translates instantly into braking force. Cooling systems are tested to manage extreme heat buildup. Wind flow is simulated to study brake cooling efficiency. Every component is validated under race-level stress conditions. Only systems that pass extreme testing are approved. The MotoGP bike is now fully equipped with racing brakes. On the track, braking becomes a critical racing strategy. The rider uses controlled braking to enter corners at extreme speed. Heat builds rapidly inside the braking system during racing. But the system is designed to handle repeated extreme loads. Brake performance directly affects lap times and race position. Every corner requires precise braking timing. Too early or too late braking can change the race outcome. Engineers monitor brake performance during live racing conditions. Real-time data ensures maximum safety and efficiency. Even under extreme pressure, the system remains stable. The rider applies controlled pressure through the brake lever. The system responds instantly with powerful stopping force. High-speed deceleration requires perfect balance and control. Brake systems allow the bike to lean deeply into corners safely. Heat dissipation keeps performance consistent throughout the race. After heavy braking, the system rapidly cools down for next use. Every component works together in perfect synchronization. From factory design to racetrack performance, everything is engineered. Braking is not just stopping, it is control at extreme speed. This is how MotoGP racing brakes are built for precision, power, and survival at the highest level.